Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the live mode settings in Paralives. Let's begin by opening settings. From here select gameplay. In gameplay look for the live mode section. Here you can enable autonomy for selected Parafolks, enable autonomy for non-selected Parafolks. With keeping those both on, all Parafolks have autonomy. You can show together cards OK button. Simply toggle this on or off. There is the show success chance, wheel animation, show parapaths, and you can simply customize those however you like. I'll stick with the default. Once you are happy, close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.